2 plus 2 gives us 4, and 3 times 4 is equal to 12, and 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, which I will write here. So according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, right? So after we solve the parentheses, we have to solve exponent, and after we solve exponent, we have to solve multiplication or division, and finally we have to solve addition or subtraction. Here is where most people get wrong. They think multiplication comes before division, therefore multiplication should be solved first, but that is wrong. That is not the correct way to solve multiplication or division. Multiplication or division both have equal priority, right? Their priority is number 3. They are priority number 3, and we have to solve them left to right, like reading a book, right? So if we have a multiplication and division problem, we have to solve the problem starting from left, going all the way down to the end, to the right end. That is the correct order to solve them, right? This is because their priority is the same, right? They are equal in priority. So let's go back into our problem. Here we have to solve parentheses first, so 2 plus 2 gives us 4, and the problem becomes 24 divided by 3 times 4, right? So here we have one division and one multiplication. And like I said, we have to solve left to right, right? So that is the right order, because multiplication and division both have equal priority, and we are going to solve the problem whichever comes first. In this case, division comes first, so 24 divided by 3 gives us 8, and 8 times 4 is equal to 32. So the final answer to this question is 32.